Court does call the cases of the people versus Mark Austin, 2 cases.
Nimish Ganatra, First Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the people.
We're ready in those matters, Your Honor. Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, appearing on behalf of Mr. Austin. I believe Mr. Austin is at the Washtenaw County Jail.
Yes. Mr. Austin, can you state your name?
I mean, legally being held in a jail. I'm not booked in. They don't have any fingerprints. I'm kidnapped, being tortured, tormented by the police, illegally held. They shot me with an injection of a hazardous substance. They deny me storage and tablet. They don't give me my mail. I have no access to the outside world. I didn't know I was seen. I don't even know who this public defender is. I have no way of contacting him. Why didn't he come see me before y'all came?
All right.
To the court?
Deputy, that is Mr. Austin. Is that correct?
It is.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
All
Your
right.
Honor.
What are
Having
we
heard
doing?
that, I believe the last finding was that Mr. Austin was not competent. I have not received any reports that would naysay that, and haven't seen anything that would naysay that. So as it stands, Mr. Austin remains incompetent. We have no reports.
And I have no report.
Your Honor, I would just add to Mr. Brown's comments that there's a forensic center report dated October 2nd, and my office received it on October 11th. This is with regard to the 2 cases that are scheduled for today. It's a progress report on the issue of incompetence of the defendant to stand trial. Do you have a copy of that?
The October 2nd?
Yes.
I do not. And
Okay.
I don't know.
Mr. Brown, do you have a copy of that?
I do not have that, ladies.
Mr. Brown, there are copies of that order,
Yes.
that report and defender data under Mr. Austin's circuit court cases.
Oh, all right. Thank you.
Your Honor, I will share with the court that the opinion on competence at the time was that he remains incompetent to stand trial. Additionally, there's a substantial likelihood that Mr. Austin attains competency if provided a course of treatment in the time period allotted by statute. That's the finding of the certified forensic examiner dated October 2nd, 2023, Flora.
That there is a likelihood that he will?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
All right. I don't know what's going on in terms of me receiving the reports, but I don't have it. But Mr. Brown, I don't mind proceeding and get the report over to me. I trust Mr. Ganatra in terms of what has been opined, and it's consistent with what was found before. So I can set this matter out for a review. And Mr. Ganatra, if you would be so kind as to send that over, because I don't think I'm getting my reports from my clerk's
I
office.
will send it over right now with Mr. Brown included on that. And if Mr. Brown would prepare any appropriate order for the forensic.
Yes.
Center. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Brown, you will do that?
Yes, I do. I believe we do already have a finding in order on his being incompetent. Is that correct?
I think I have to have a new order for this new finding.
All righty. We
All
will
right.
send one over right away.
All right, then I'll set a review. Set a review January 11th, 2024, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond will continue.